really excited this afternoon. I'm going to open my new machine. This is a Kaffe Fassett B475 Quilters Edition. Fell in love with this machine at the NEC. It was the Festival of Quilts in August, and look at it. Even the box is decorated. So, are you ready for this? I'm going to open it up. So, very exciting. Okay, first layer, I'm just going to put this to the side. Book, even the book's decorated, can you believe that? Lifting all these goodies out. Look at this. Right, okay, so here it is. So I'm just going to take that out. So hang on to all of these bits and pieces. That's got the foot pedal in. But look, now you can understand why I fell in love with it. This beautiful, beautiful coloured machine. So I don't want you to think it's just painted. It's all beautiful, and the design has been designed by Kaffe Fassett himself. We're not talking stickers here. This is high-end decoration. It's really, really lovely. So as you're looking at it, you're probably thinking, well, you know, how big is it here, Claire? Well, it's 7 inches. How heavy is it? This one, it is actually 9.5 kilos. So just perfect for me to take to classrooms, which is what I want to do. I give demonstrations and I teach workshops, and I wanted to have a machine that's got the bigger bobbin and that's light enough for me to take with me. And so this is the baby that I'm going to be taking. But this is a limited edition, and I just love the colour. I'm going to pop that down. And what we'll do now is I'm going to go through what comes with this machine. So I've got everything out, and here's the book. Brilliant instruction manual. It'll tell you how to do everything. But look, it's coloured like the machine. And the back, all those pretty patterns, which I know you'll find inspiring. Also comes with a list of other Bernina accessories that you can get for the machine. So what else? We have the accessory box. So that's where you can put all your feet. But look at this. Really, really pretty cover. Absolutely love that. So this is your dust cover, and it's got pockets so you can pop everything in if you're going to take it to places. So there's poppers here keeping the flap down, and you would just lift that up with a handle. So really easy to take around. And this machine has got a stop-start button, but it's also got a foot control. So that can fit in one of the pockets. And I don't know if you've ever seen underneath on a Bernina foot control, but it all winds round, so that keeps it nice and neat. You've also got the extension table, which slides on really nice and easily. And here we are, the knee lift. So the freehand system, you can just put that in the machine and obviously operate that, and that lifts up the foot, the presser foot lever. Right, let's take this off, and there we are, the machine is switched on. So you've got those 8 LED lights, which really give you delightful visibility. If you ever need an excuse to update your machine, then just the lighting alone. But look at it, isn't it lovely? Great big touch screen there as well. And really just no fussy knobs here that you can alter stitch width and stitch length. So if I just do that, you can see how you can widen your stitch width there. Brilliant. It's all really clear and easy to use. But let me just take you down to the feet and all the other bits and pieces that you get with it. You get some thread, you get some needles. These are the magnificent jumbo bobbins. They hold 70% more thread than normal bobbins. You've got the screwdriver to alter anything there, and you've got these lovely little end caps. Brilliant seam ripper. I know a lot of people especially love the Bernina seam ripper. That's just this the step guide at the back so that you can make sure that the presser foot is level if you're working on thick fabric. And the dear little brush. This goes on the end up here, so if I just take you up here, you just put that and your reels of thread then nestle up against that. You've got your special oil, and then I'll just go through the feet. These are the ones that you've got. So you've got overlock foot, number 2, automatic buttonhole foot, 3A, zipper foot 4, get my fingers out of the way for you, blind stitch foot, and because it's the quilter's edition, 37 1/4" foot. And if you're wondering what's actually already on the machine, it's the reverse pattern foot. So there we are. Well, I'm afraid that's the end of the video because I'm just desperate to go and have a little play. But if you really want to come and see these machines in the flesh, then do so, because they're just so lovely. Any of you who will see me teach at some workshops, you're in for a treat, because I will be showing you this lovely machine. Oh, one thing I didn't mention was some of the lovely stitches. So the Kaffe Fassett machine comes with, this one comes with an additional 21 decorative stitches. So that's a heck of a lot of stitches that you've got. Just wanted to explain that to you. Thanks ever so much for watching.